Here is a mega 1-pound pizza that I baked in my new Turpone Forza pizza oven. The video recipe for this pizza dough is on my Bake Like a Pro channel. Check the comment section and description box for the link. From day one, I've had an excellent, stress-free baking experience due to the motorized turntable inside this pizza oven. Pop your pizza in, press the button to start the turntable, and just relax and watch the pizza start baking. When I say zero stress, I really mean it. There is no need to be constantly wondering when you should manually rotate your pizza with a pizza peel. The oven does it all for you. When you bring your pizza out, you will be counting the seconds until you can take a bite. I have a fun unboxing and assembly video for this pizza oven over on my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. And of course, dozens more videos of this amazing pizza oven in action. You will also find a link to this exact pizza oven in links to direct you over to their website. Thanks for watching.